Two upper chambers called the right atrium, left atrium. Two lower chambers, right ventricle, left ventricle. In between is the interventricular septum. Between the atria is the interatrial septum. Okay, and then you have on the walls is a fossa ovalis right there, which is the remnant of your foraminal valve. You also have in the ventricles, you have muscles. You have the papillary muscles there. Your chordae tendineae. You have four valves. This is your tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, your aortic semilunar valve, and your pulmonary semilunar valve right here. Okay, so four valves right there. All right, so let's close it up and look at this: the major vessels which are attached to the heart itself. So you have, okay. So you got your pulmonary trunk, your aorta, your superior vena cava, and your inferior vena cava. On the back side, you have your four pulmonary veins. 1, 2, 3, 4 pulmonary veins. Okay.
Do we need to distinguish left and right?
No. And then you have your coronary vessels. These are called auricles. Auricle. Here you have on the ears of the aorta. You have two vessels that branch off it right away, called your right coronary artery and left coronary artery. The right coronary artery continues here, comes all the way down to the side, gives a branch off called your marginal artery, and continues around some more as the right coronary artery all the way to the back to form a posterior interventricular artery. The left coronary artery starts here again, goes on the pulmonary trunk, and shows up right here. And it splits into your anterior interventricular artery and your circumflex artery. Goes all the way around to form your posterior left ventricular artery. Okay. Then these vessels are drained by veins in the same area. So you have your great cardiac vein right here, which runs next to your anterior interventricular artery. Comes around still as your great cardiac vein to the backside here to form your posterior cardiac vein. Okay. On the other side, you have next to your marginal artery is your small cardiac vein. Okay. Next to your posterior interventricular artery is your middle cardiac vein. Next to your posterior left ventricular artery is your posterior cardiac vein. All the veins merge to flow into your coronary sinus, which empties blood into your right atrium. Okay, that's it.
A+.